Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, I'm gonna do a little decal
We're
work.
gonna do a little decal work.
Now, this is a Scale Motorsport decal.
I know what it is.
I bought it because I liked it,
Obviously.
but
Why would you buy it
when
if
I
you
decided
didn't
to use it for this kit, I realized that I didn't need all those extra colors, like the yellow and the light blue. So I went ahead and cut out, what I needed, and I'm gonna do like a plaid pattern on these seats.
And you know what I always say?
What do you always say?
Don't work for the decal. Make the decal work for you. You know what I'm
You've
saying?
never said that in your life.
Oh man, stop hating. You just mad you didn't say it.
Anyway, I had to cut some more up, so I chopped them off.
I heard you cut some more, so I chopped them off.
Bro, you are so annoying. I swear.
That's what I'm here for.
So, as you can see, I got the stripes down.
That look good like that.
I got the vertical stripes down.
Is that a little geometry or something?
Now I'm getting ready to go across it. This is gonna be a little bit more work, because I gotta cut each little piece off, because it's not real plaid.
Oh yeah.
But to make it look like it's weaved, I gotta cut each piece off and miss every other stripe. I mean, you know what I'm saying.
We know what you're saying.
So I got a funny little saying,
Oh, okay.
about the decals.
Go ahead.
Don't work for the decals. Make the decals work for you. You know what I'm saying?
I know you didn't just steal
That's
what I
straight
just
from
said.
Joe Wright.
I know you didn't do that.
What are you talking about?
Nah,
I just made that up.
Done that.
So here's the almost finished product.
I hate you.
I like how it look. You know what I'm saying? That bottom part where you just see those bare stripes, I'm gonna go ahead and paint over that so that won't even show. Don't worry about that.
I'm worried about you stealing what I say.
Come on, you gotta get over that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get over it
So,
when I call my lawyer.
Anyway, now I gotta put a little flat clear over it to give it that matte look, so that it won't be as shiny, because it is supposed to be an interior, the seats. So there go the flat clear. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. Wow, I really got you to shut up, huh?
Man, you gonna have to leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
I just need time to cool off.
2,000 years later.
It's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
Day 4.
Alright, I'm cool now. Oh, so how much of that stuff are you gonna put on there? Well, I think I put probably about 2 coats. 2 coats on it.
2 coats. Okay, got it.
Wait, are you writing that down?
Don't worry about what I'm writing.
I mean,
It's between me and my lawyer.
Not your lawyer. What are you
Tired of
talking
being
about?
abused.
Man. So anyway, to the grill. I used a decal off of another Chevy for the emblem. I mean, it already had an emblem on the grill molded into the plastic. It just wasn't painted. And that's cool because it's raised, so when I put the decal on it and then I put my microsaw on it, the microsaw dissolved the decal into the shape of the emblem on the grill, and it actually looks pretty good. Off the record, it do look pretty good. Thank you.
I'm just saying.
So here go the microsaw. I'm gonna put some more on it. I already put some on it, but I'm just gonna make sure I get it in there pretty good. You don't want to overdo it with the microsaw because it's dissolving your decal. But yeah. I know I had on my other video, me having the dash painted and had the wood grain in it and everything.
Tell us more.
I didn't like it. I didn't like the color, with the car. So I went ahead and redid everything. I pulled the wood grain off and I put,
did you?
I changed the color.
Very
This time I
interesting.
painted it first before I put the wood grain on. So I guess I tried
You're
both
just
techniques with
No
this
one's listening to you.
same dash. I'm just painting it black right now. The instrument panel, I'm painting that part black so that the part where the decal meets the burgundy, it'll have a little black around it or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So it won't look all jacked up.
Yeah.
So like before, I used the microsaw. It's a pretty good product. Get you some, try it.
I got some.
You'll love it.
I have tried it, and I do love it.
That's great. I know it don't look like much now,
You ain't
but it'll get better.
Oh,
Told you.
okay.
Told you.
You called it. I see you got a little chrome trim on there also.
Yeah, you know, a little chrome, something light.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I know,
Wait,
I know.
I know that don't say what I think it say. Are you using Ford gauges for the Chevrolet Dash?
I mean,
Come on, man.
I'm using the Ford gauges because I needed some gauges and they look good. So, I mean, it
okay.
don't say
I mean,
Ford
since
on them.
it look good. I mean, it's okay if it look good, right? I mean,
Yeah.
If you had on an Adidas tracksuit
I mean, I don't.
and you
I don't
throw on some
wear
Jordans,
the
it was the
Adidas
same
tracksuit.
color. It would be okay, right? Because they look
Yeah,
good,
I mean,
right?
Jordans, they look nice with
Okay.
anything, but
I have nothing more, Your
case
Honor.
closed.
So while you were sitting over there judging me, I just called it when I see it. I did end up using a gauge from an Impala.
Okay.
So they have 2 Ford gauges and 1 Impala
See,
gauge. And
that's
you know
even
Impala
worse.
is Chevy, so
Now you mixing
that's
gauges.
cool, right? I ain't got nothing else to say.
So you're telling me,
if you look at my dash,
uh-huh.
you can tell me what kind of gauges they are
Oh yeah.
just by looking at it.
Just by
And
looking
keep in
at
mind, it don't say Ford, it don't say Chevy.
Look, man.
I'm just saying, it's wrong to put Ford.
It's not a real
On
Chevy,
Chevy,
and it's not a
straight
real
up.
Ford.
It's wrong to put Chevy
There.
on Ford.
Potatoes, potatoes.
Nah, potatoes.
What? That don't even make sense. What are you talking about?
I mean, I'm talking about potatoes. I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah, you know what? I could go for a nice baked potato. Hey, bro.
What's up?
I'm sorry for stealing your quote back there.
Oh man,
That was wrong with me.
You know what? You can have it, man. I wasn't even worried about
Okay. So we good?
it. We good. And we out.
Peace.
Peace.
Like, comment, subscribe.